Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
You're starting the quick setup now. Open your Zoom desktop client and sign in. Once done, confirm Zoom's latest update so virtual background features are available. Next, pick a clear image file, JPEG or PNG around 1920 by 1080 works best for a full screen look and keeps aspect ratio intact. Make sure the file is reasonably small so Zoom loads it fast. Also close any apps using the camera so Zoom can access the webcam without. You'll now enable and apply the wallpaper inside Zoom. Open Settings and pick Background and Filters. Enable virtual backgrounds if not already on. Click the plus icon to add your selected image file, then click it to apply. You'll see the wallpaper replace your background in preview. If you have a solid background or green screen, turn on the green screen toggle to improve edge detection and reduce artifacts. Adjust your position and lighting until the preview looks natural. You're finishing setup and confirming the wallpaper works in meetings. Join a test meeting or ask a friend to confirm what they see. Make sure the image doesn't crop awkwardly. If edges flicker or parts of you disappear, change lighting, reposition the camera, or enable the green screen option for better separation. If problems persist, try a different image size or restart the Zoom app. Most conflicts clear after a restart and re-upload of the image, restoring a clean virtual background.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.